What is Eid? In the aspects of celebration, in aspects of festivals, aspects of people celebrating different historic events, how does Eid fit in all of that? A lot of people have this question. So what are you celebrating anyway? Nothing happened in the past on this day. So we say that Eid, Islam, and the aspect of celebrations in Islam is totally different to other cultures, to other ways of life, to other religions. In Islam, Eid, you are celebrating or you are expressing your happiness, your gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not because of some historic event, but because that you have fulfilled a great ibadat. Allah ta'ala has given you that ability, that tawfiq, to fulfill that great ibadat, and Allah ta'ala had honored you. So to be grateful to that, you are celebrating Eid.